Yes, hello everyone, welcome to this video and welcome to this channel Max TV. In this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to edit any kind of image and remove a background in very easy and simple steps. What you have to do normally when you want to edit an image, you can be able to remove background, but you might need different editing softwares. But this you can be able to edit this with only single click. So now, without wasting time, let's get started. Before we get started, also remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, Max TV, turn on the button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV. As you can see, I'm using my computer, and if I come here to this desktop, I can delete this image. Once I delete it, also I'm going to my file manager and search for different files which existed there and try to delete all them. You can see I'm gonna be click on download section and find if there is an image and delete it, but I don't have anyone. So what I need to do, I need to open my Chrome and find for only one image you can be using for educational purpose. So what you need to do, let's for instance search for pexels and search for free image you can be able to use. So if I search for pexels, I'm going to be opening free photos. Let's search for the given photo we are going to use for educational purpose and see how we can be able to edit and remove background in a single steps or in a single click. So what I'm gonna do, I search for image. Let's search for maybe bus. So if I search bus, I'm gonna be getting different buses I can be able to use. So now after clicking on a bus, I can see now I'm gonna be getting different files or different image or result for bus. So let's find the one which is having like a black background I can remove an image from and also remain with only bus. So let's see, maybe we have this one. If we go scroll down and see, we have this one. Okay, so let's download this one for instance, this one, because it's having like a black background which you can be able to remove it and whiten it. So we see the result or the outcome we're gonna be remaining with. I have to click on it and download it. So once I download it, I'm gonna be having my bus which is having a background. So after doing this, I have to close Chrome again because I don't need to use internet. I'm gonna be relying on the Copilot section. So what I do, I'm coming to my download section and search for the bus that I have already downloaded, which is a photo, and also use it for demonstration or educational purpose to show you how you can be able to use this, especially if you are having Windows 11. This is very simple for you. So what I do, I'm gonna be clicking on right click on it. After clicking on it, I have to open it. This one, click open with paint. After selecting a paint, it's gonna be opening. So after opening, you can see I have a bus already named this one. You can see this is my image and I have a bus here. Let's try to minimize the file to see that can be visible, and you have now bus in our photo editor. But we can be able to edit this photo in different ways. You can be able to edit it in different styles, including rotating it, adding text and more. But I need to already remove this background. What you do is to click on this Copilot. We do not click on a Copilot, and you're gonna be having image creator, relative erase, also remove background. I have to click on background, remove background immediately, and you can see it is removing my background. What I need to have, I'm gonna be having now anything else which is having the background removed. Now let's wait and see the background we are gonna be having with. You can see we are having only bus which is not having any background, or which is having a white space background. This is very simple, and you can be able to fix this on your own. What you need to do, you need to click on save, or save as if you want to rename it. And also after you have clicked on save, you're gonna be having this one. If I click on save, you can see I have the outcome, which is my bus, and my bus is only white in background. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe to the channel Max TV, like this video, share it to our friends, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV.